Hi, kindergartners. Today we are learning a new number of the day. Today's number of the day is 4. We have a quick video and then we will get right into our learning about the number 4. Here we go.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
So that
0.
was a quick video that showed us how to count from 1 to 20, and it gave us the number words. So now we'll get into our number of the day. Remember, the numeral is 4. And on this activity, it doesn't really show the way we make it. This is a 4 that you might see on different activities, but it's not the one that we use when we write it. So don't worry about this numeral, but this is also 4 when you see the number 4. The number word 4 is F-O-U-R. One more time, it is F-O-U-R. When we see 4 on a 10 frame, we're still on the top here. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of those rectangles are filled in. Notice there's just one that's missing on the top over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a 10 frame. 4 on the 10 frame. 4 on a domino looks a little bit different. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we see that, it's each corner of this side of the domino has a dot or a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we tally, 4 tallies down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tally marks. What comes before 4? What number is before 4? Take a look at the number line and see if you can tell me. Do you know? It's the number 3. 3 comes before 4. What number comes after 4? Here's 4. What comes after 4? We just said 3 comes before 4. What comes after 4? Do you know? Right, that's 5. 5 comes after 4. Count on from that number. So remember, today we are not going to say 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. We're going to start at 4. So here we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do it one more time together. Start right here at 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. Here's our poem for the number 4, our counting creature. Monster, monster, number 4, how many legs can cross the floor? Let's count his legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs. Let's count his eyes too. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eyes. Let's say that poem one more time. Monster, monster, number 4. How many legs can cross the floor? Here is one of the ways we can remember how to make the 4. It says make an L, and then for fun, one line down, and now you're done. Remember, if you have a number formation poem at home, it might say down and over, down once more. That's how we make a 4. So this part first, and then that part last. So in your activity today, you are going to see that you have another sheet that looks a lot like the one that we did on Monday and on Tuesday and on Wednesday. And thank you for your patience as I brought it up. Sometimes things get lost on our computer. So remember, once again, write your name. I'm not going to write my name there today because you know it's me, Mr. Schneider. 4 fingers are up. It gives you the numeral 4, and it gives you the number word 4. So here we go. When we do our 10 frame, we go 1, 2, 3, and 4. When we do our number 4, we go down and over, down once more. That's how we make a 4. Down and over, down once more. That's how we make 4. Then we trace the number word. F, O, U, R, 4. Then we find some 4s. There's a 4 there. Oop, I made a mistake there. I'm going to go back a little bit. There's 1, and there's another 1. When I tally, remember 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I draw it, I can I'll make some worms today. 1 worm, 2 worms, 3 worms, 4 worms. And that's how you'll do that activity. Tomorrow, our number will be... You'll have to find out tomorrow. Good luck. Have fun with the activity. And I still have to turn it off. So here we go.